Okay, association is another example of a simple relationship between two objects. So we'll stick with the same sort of really weird theme about Mane and Klopp and their money. But we've got employer and employee. The only difference is in employee, I did have a boss attribute, but that's gone. So these two things are completely separate objects that in no way refer to each other in any way. But then there's this pay difference where it's you take your own pay and you take away somebody else's pay, which is expected to be just a number. Now, if we wanted to run this, what we could do is we could say Klopp. So look at Klopp and do the pay difference, because Klopp's the employer with this method. And then we can pass it mane.pay. So this is known as association because although they're not sort of the details of each object aren't composed within each other, if you ever use a method of one object and you reference a variable from another, that's known as association. So if we think back to the other videos where I was taking off character's health, I don't know if you've seen it, but taking off character's health based on the power of another character, that's association. Because during that moment, I'm associating one object with another. But as soon as it's done, that method's complete, that's the association's gone. All right, so that relationship is known as an association relationship between two objects.